Do you want to know how Arnold Schwarzenegger became a world champion, movie star, and governor? You can learn his secrets too. Hello and welcome. I'm very happy you are here today. This video is made for people who want to learn English. It is easy to follow and good for practice. Today you will listen to a simple and powerful story. It is about a boy who lives in a small village. He works hard, faces many problems, and never gives up. This story can help you learn English and also learn about life. As you listen, follow the words on the screen. Welcome to Easy English Official, where you learn English and get motivated at the same time. You can hear the right pronunciation, see how sentences are made, and practice step by step. Let's begin this story together and enjoy learning English. Chapter 1. Have a clear vision. Success starts with a clear goal. Arnold knew he wanted more than an ordinary life in Austria. From a young age, he dreamed of something big and exciting. Every day, he imagined himself achieving greatness. He did not want to be a farmer or work in a small factory. That was his parents' vision, not his own. He wanted to follow his own dreams. He believed he was born for something unique. One day at school, Arnold saw a documentary about America. He watched the skyscrapers, the highways, and the amazing buildings. He felt excited and knew that one day he would live there. He wanted a life full of adventure and success. Small houses and farms did not interest him. He dreamed of something larger than life. That vision gave him energy every day. Walking past a store in Graz, Arnold saw a bodybuilding magazine. Reg Park, a 3-time Mr. Universe, was on the cover. Arnold felt inspired and knew exactly what he wanted to do. He wanted to be a champion bodybuilder like Reg Park. He also dreamed of acting in movies and becoming famous. The magazine became his blueprint for success. Arnold realized that having a vision makes life exciting. Every action he took was connected to his goal. Every weight he lifted, every exercise, brought him closer to his dreams. He started training with passion and purpose. Long hours in the gym never felt like work. He smiled while working hard because he knew why he was doing it. At 20, Arnold went to London for the Mr. Universe contest. He wanted to become the youngest winner ever. His vision made the long journey and hard training meaningful. He knew exactly where he was going. Unlike most people who drift without a goal, Arnold's path was clear. He could focus on every step and enjoy the process. Having a goal makes challenges easier. When you know what you want, obstacles feel smaller. Every problem becomes a chance to grow. Visualizing his dreams made the hard work fun. He looked forward to each exercise and each day of training. His vision created excitement and energy. He imagined himself holding the Mr. Universe trophy. That vision motivated him to push harder every day. Nothing could stop him because he knew his purpose. Arnold believed in the power of dreams. A clear goal gives meaning to life. When you know your destination, every effort counts. Even when training was exhausting, he felt happy. The vision of success turned hard work into enjoyment. Every repetition was a step closer to his goal. He did not fear mistakes or failure. Every experience taught him something valuable. Each challenge was part of the journey to his vision. Knowing your goal helps you make decisions easily. Arnold always asked himself, will this action bring me closer to my dream? If yes, he did it. If not, he ignored it. A strong vision can guide your entire life. It shapes your actions, thoughts, and habits. Arnold's vision directed every choice he made. Success is easier when you have a purpose. Goals are like a map showing the right direction. Without them, life feels uncertain and confusing. Arnold's story shows the power of vision. Dreams create motivation and energy. They turn ordinary people into extraordinary achievers. Having a vision helps you enjoy the journey. Even hard work feels fun when you see the goal ahead. Every day becomes exciting and full of meaning. Your vision is your personal compass. It keeps you on track when obstacles appear. Arnold never lost sight of his dreams, and neither should you. It is never too early or too late to have a vision. You can start today, imagine your dreams, and take small steps. Every action counts toward your future. Arnold's example inspires us to dream big. When you have a vision, you can achieve anything. The journey becomes exciting, and success is possible. If you follow your dreams like Arnold, life becomes a powerful adventure. Goals give energy, purpose, and happiness. Success begins in your mind. Remember, a clear vision transforms ordinary life into something extraordinary. Arnold's journey proves that dreams, focus, and action make all the difference. Every day is an opportunity to move closer to your goal. Visualize it, work for it, and enjoy the journey. Your vision will guide you to success. Chapter 2. Don't listen to the naysayers. Many people told Arnold he could not succeed. They said bodybuilding was too hard. They said movies were impossible for him. But Arnold did not listen to them. He believed in himself and his vision. When others said no, he heard yes. When people said impossible, he heard possible. His mind was focused on success. Critics told him his body was wrong. They said he could not act with an accent. They doubted his dreams. Arnold ignored every word of doubt. He worked harder than ever before. Every challenge became a step toward his goal. Every criticism became motivation. He transformed obstacles into opportunities. People laughed at his dreams. They said Hollywood would never hire him. They said bodybuilding would not make him famous. Arnold still moved forward. He understood that naysayers do not know your path. Their no is often fear or doubt. Your yes comes from your heart. Arnold trusted his own heart. When he started acting, people said he would fail. Movies like Hercules in New York were criticized, but he kept learning and improving every day. He studied acting, worked on his accent, and practiced hard. Every rejection made him stronger. He turned failures into lessons. Every mistake was part of his success. Arnold's focus never wavered. He kept his eyes on the prize. He imagined himself as a champion and a star. The negative words could not stop his energy. People said he could never be Mr. Universe. They said he was too young or too small. Arnold ignored the doubts. He trained harder and proved them wrong. Every rep, every weight, every hour in the gym mattered. Critics could say anything, but he acted. He kept moving forward with confidence. Naysayers often try to discourage you. They want you to quit or feel small. Arnold knew their words were not facts. He chose to follow his vision. He reminded himself daily, I can do it. When someone said impossible, he smiled and worked harder. Their no became fuel for his journey. He learned that success is not about pleasing everyone. It is about believing in yourself. The world may doubt you, but you can achieve greatness. Hard work is the best response to critics. Arnold's actions proved more than words ever could. Results silenced every doubter. He kept a positive attitude. Even when people laughed or criticized, he smiled. His focus and joy inspired others. Naysayers could not shake him. Arnold knew that fear and doubt often hide in people's words. When someone says no, They are afraid. He turned their fear into his motivation. Every rejection became an opportunity to improve. Every "you cannot" became "I can." He built resilience with each challenge. He believed in Nelson Mandela's idea: everything seems impossible until someone does it. Arnold chose to be that someone. Critics cannot walk your path for you. Only you can take the steps. Arnold's journey proves that self-belief is powerful. He ignored every limit others put on him. He created his own rules. The more people doubted him, the more he proved them wrong. Arnold's story teaches a simple lesson. Do not let others define your dreams. Listen to your heart and work with courage. Even small doubts from others can distract you. Arnold focused only on action and effort. Every day he chose progress over worry. Success requires ignoring distractions. Naysayers are distractions. Arnold knew that his work mattered more than their opinions. He celebrated his small victories. Every milestone proved that he was on the right path. Critics' words became less powerful as results grew. When someone says it's impossible, it means you can do it. Arnold's life is a perfect example. Challenges are opportunities in disguise. Belief in yourself turns negativity into energy. Arnold turned no into motivation. His story inspires everyone to follow their dreams fearlessly. Chapter 3. Work hard and enjoy the journey. Arnold loved what he did every day. Training in the gym was not a chore for him. He smiled while lifting weights. Hard work became fun because of his goal. Every repetition brought him closer to success. Each set was a step toward becoming Mr. Universe. He enjoyed every moment of the journey. Purpose made hard work exciting. Arnold knew that success is not instant. It comes from patience and effort. Every hour in the gym mattered. Every drop of sweat was part of progress. He trained 5 to 6 hours every day with dedication. He loved the feeling of growth. Challenges did not scare him. Hard work became a joyful adventure. Even when exercises were tough, he never complained. Pain became a sign of progress. He focused on the results, not the struggle. Success made every effort worthwhile. Arnold set small goals for each day. Every repetition, every lift counted. He felt proud with each accomplishment. Motivation came from tracking progress. He knew that loving the journey makes goals easier. If you enjoy the work, results will follow. Hard work does not feel heavy when your heart is in it. Arnold inspired others with his energy. People noticed his smile and focus. Joy comes from working toward a dream. Purpose creates happiness every day. He prepared for competitions with excitement. The gym was his playground. Every challenge was a chance to improve. Every exercise brought satisfaction. Arnold's story shows that goals make life fun. Purpose turns ordinary tasks into meaningful steps. Every effort contributes to something bigger. Hard work builds strength, confidence, and resilience. It also brings joy when connected to your vision. Arnold's example proves that effort is rewarding. He never rushed the process. Success requires patience and focus. Every step counts, even if it is small. Every day of work matters. Arnold believed in balancing work and happiness. Enjoying the journey keeps motivation high. Hard work and joy go hand in hand. He smiled while chasing his dreams. He trained with focus, not frustration. Challenges became opportunities. Every obstacle was a lesson. Hard work became a path to joy. Arnold reminded himself daily, "I love what I do." Passion fuels effort. When you enjoy your work, success comes naturally. Motivation comes from the heart. He understood that every step matters. Each repetition shaped his body and character. The journey was as important as the goal. Hard work shaped his identity. Arnold celebrated small victories along the way. Each milestone motivated him to continue. Recognition came later, but joy was present every day. He believed in giving his best effort every day. Excellence comes from consistent work. The joy of improvement is its own reward. Success is built daily. Even when tired, Arnold kept going. His love for the process pushed him forward. Every challenge became a chance to grow. Joy came from effort itself. Arnold's journey teaches a simple lesson. Find your goal, work hard, enjoy the journey. Life becomes exciting when purpose guides action. Success feels natural when work is fun. Hard work with passion inspires others. Arnold's energy motivated many people. Joy and effort together create unstoppable momentum. He never compared himself to others. His focus was on his own progress. Measuring success by personal growth keeps motivation alive. Every day is an opportunity to improve. Every effort brings you closer to your dream. Arnold's story shows the power of consistent action. Success is a journey, not just a destination. Enjoy each step, even the difficult ones. Every repetition, every day, every challenge matters. Find your passion and follow it. Work hard with love for what you do. Joy makes every challenge easier. Motivation grows when effort feels fun. Arnold's life proves that happiness and hard work can coexist. Every step is meaningful. Purpose makes every day exciting. Find your goal and enjoy your journey. Remember, success is about vision, ignoring the naysayers and working hard. Arnold did it, and you can too. If you want more easy English lessons and motivation, subscribe to Easy English Official and join our journey. Every video will help you improve your English and stay inspired. Thank you for watching, and keep following your dreams. Practice, learn, and enjoy every step along the way. See you in the next Easy English Official video.